Jim Rohn said, "We all must suffer from one of two pains, the pain of discipline and the pain of regret." We all have something we wish we didn't give up or walk away from. Imagine you'd stuck to playing piano 10 years ago. You'd be so great at it now. Imagine you started studying another language 5 years ago. Today, you'd be fluent. Imagine you stopped buying coffee out every morning for just 1 year. You'd now have an extra $1,000. The point of these examples is not to show what could have been. It's to show what still can be. Learning piano is not an easy task. Speaking a foreign language is a difficult undertaking, and self-discipline is extremely challenging. But the difference is this: not learning piano and knowing 10 years has gone by hurts a lot more than practicing just 30 minutes a day for those years. Not speaking the language you've always dreamed to learn but haven't cuts more deep than just finding a teacher and going all in for a while. Not having the daily conveniences of life just handed to you can be a huge adjustment, but it's so much more fulfilling to have those extra funds to plan maybe to buy some equipment you need to start investing in your life's true path. 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, they are all going to go by anyway. So you might as well start today and choose the long road over the shortcut. Remember, Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Nothing worth having comes easy."